Today we are going to talk about one of the most important concepts in Java, abstraction. Now, don't worry if you are new to programming, I will explain it slowly, clearly, and with a simple example. By the end, you will not only understand abstraction, you will be able to answer some quiz question I have prepared for you at the end. So stick around. So this is the basic question. What is abstraction? So before I go on to that, make sure you watch the three videos which are inheritance, encapsulation, and access mode fair. If you watch that, you can watch this. The full video for them is in the comment section. So check it out. Okay, so what does abstraction mean? Abstraction is simply about hiding the complex details and showing only what's important. Imagine you're driving a car. You press the accelerator or start the car, you press the accelerator and the car moves. You don't think about the pistons, gears, or how fuel burns. You only focus on the simple controls like the steering, wheel, the pedals, and the brakes. That's abstraction in real life. You use the feature without worrying about the hidden details. Abstraction in Java. In Java, we use our abstraction mainly with abstract class and interfaces. There are two concepts, abstract class and interface. But don't get scared of the big words. Think of them like this. Abstract class, a blueprint that says what must exist but leaves out the details. Interface, a control that says what must be done but not have. Let's look at one example, simple example with animals. So here is the code. Take a moment and look at that. Okay, so let's break this down step by step. We first created an abstract class called animal. It has an abstract method called sound. That means every animal must have a sound, but we don't define what it is here. Then we created two child classes, dog and cat. Each one gives its own version of sound. Dog barks, cat meows. In the main program, we create two animals, one dog, one cat. We call sound on each and they output different outputs. Here's the magic. Our main program doesn't care about how the dog barks or how the cat meows. It just calls sound. The details are hidden. That's abstraction, simply. So, do you know why it matters? So, why do programmers use abstraction? Because it makes life so much easier. The code is simpler to read and understand. You can rescue the same blueprint for many different things. You can add or change the details later without breaking your program. For example, tomorrow I could add a cow class, a lamb class, or a bird class, and all of them would follow the same rule. They must implement sound, and my program would still work perfectly. And can't create an object in abstraction. Okay, so let's also clear up a few common questions. Yes, usually ask. Can we create an object of an abstract class? No, abstract classes are just blueprints. You can't build a house out of a blueprint. You need a real class first. So why use abstract classes? Because they set rules. Like in our case, every animal must have a sound. Next question. Is abstraction the same as encapsulation? No. Encapsulation hides the data inside a class. Abstraction hides the implementation details and only shows the essential. Alright, now it's the fun part. Time for a quick quiz. Pause the video, think about your answer, and check with me. I will give you 10 seconds for each question. So, first question. What is the main purpose of abstraction in Java? To hide data inside a class, to hide unnecessary details and show only important features, to allow multiple inheritance, to make variable private. If your answer is B, to hide unnecessary details and show only important features, that's correct. Question number 2. Can we create an object of an abstract class directly? A. Yes. B. No. C. Only if it has a constructor. D. Only in Java 11 and above. If you said the answer is B, you're correct. Question number 3. Which keyword is used to define an abstract class in Java? A. Class. B. Abstract. C. Interface. D. Extend. So if you choose number B, abstract, that's the correct answer. If a class has one abstract method, what must the class be declared as? A. Final. B. Static. C. Abstract. D. Public. If you choose C. Abstract, you're correct. So let's wrap this up. Abstraction means hide details, show only what's important. In Java, we use abstract classes and interfaces. In our example, the animal class said every animal must have a sound, but the details were left to dogs and cats. This keeps code simple, reusable, and professional. And thanks for watching. If this video helped you very much, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. I hope you like this video. Don't I hope you like this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon on for more future videos. Bye.